Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open the TikTok app and go straight to Profile, then Orders. This confirms the order ID and status. Once done, make sure you have your payment method and any receipt or screenshot ready because TikTok may ask for proof. If the order is still processing, cancel options may appear. If it's shipped, cancellation may not be possible. Act now to preserve refund eligibility because timing directly affects whether TikTok or the seller can stop the shipment. You tap the order and look for a cancel button. Use it and choose an accurate reason, then attach photos or messages as evidence. If there's no cancel option, you contact the seller through the order page and request cancellation. Be clear and polite, and include the order ID. Once you've submitted the request, follow up with a formal dispute in the app if the seller ignores you. Because disputes trigger platform mediation and protect your payment, while TikTok you confirm the refund method and the expected timeline shown in the app, because refunds can take several business days depending on the payment provider. Once you receive confirmation, monitor your bank or card statement for the refund. If nothing appears within the window, check TikTok messages for updates. If the cancellation or refund is denied, escalate. Open a support ticket in app, provide all evidence, and only if necessary. Contact your card issuer for a chargeback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.